I'm a project engineer and I do a lot of reviewing of solar proposals and designs. Really was interested to come see the process that goes on behind the scenes, the processes to putting those proposals together from a contractor's perspective. Veli, the presenter, is really, you can tell he's really passionate about what he's doing, and just his willingness to want to share his knowledge and even sharing his templates and things like that we've gone through in the session. I think that's going to be really useful to be able to look at that stuff later as well. So yeah, I think that's been really good. Really enjoyed it so far.
As an electrical inspector, I wanted to kind of come down here and further my knowledge of commercial solar systems. The presentation so far has been going pretty well. There's a lot of information to take in about the structure of how to set up a large solar commercial job. Veli definitely knows his stuff.
Yeah, it was really good. We sort of delved really in depth into the commercial space, learned a lot about the different DNSPs and the way that they react. Also a lot of detail into like the construction management as part of the project. I think we as a business have got a bit to do with the organisation, and I think some of the stuff we learned today will really go a long way in helping that. One of the things I was interested in was the demonstration with the GridSafe board. I spent a bit of time on the phone to Jayesh and Pat in particular, discussing those things to learn the sort of the intricacies of how they work, and to see it and learn from the people that build it was really good.